Hello everyone. Welcome to English Story Listening House. Today I will read a short and easy English story for you. Listen carefully, practice your English and improve your vocabulary. The story is The Boy and the Apples Tree. Once upon a time, there was a little boy who loved to play under a big apple tree. The boy came to the tree every day. He climbed the tree, ate the apples, and took a rest in its shade. The tree was very happy to see the boy. As the boy grew older, he stopped playing with the tree. One day, the boy came to the tree, looking sad. The tree said, "Come and play with me." The boy replied, "I'm not a little child anymore. I want toys. I need money to buy them." The tree said, "Take my apples. You can sell them and get money." The boy picked all the apples and went away happily. The tree was glad to help the boy, but it felt lonely. Many years passed. The boy returned as a man. The tree said, "Come and play with me." The man said, "I need a house for my family. Can you give me wood?" The tree said, "Take my branches and build your house." So the man cut off the tree's branches and built his house. The man was happy, but the tree was again lonely. After a long time, the man came back. The tree said, "Come and play with me." The man said, "I need a bird to travel." The tree said, "Take my trunk and build your wood." The man cut down the trunk and built his boat. The tree was left with only its roots. Finally, the man came back when he was very old. The tree said, "Sorry, my boy, I have nothing left to give you." The old man said, "I don't need anything. I just need a place to rest." The tree said, "Come, sit on my roots and take a rest." The old man sat down. The tree was happy and smiled with tears. Vocabulary: shade, the cool place under a tree. Lonely, feeling alone, without friends. Trunk, the main stem of a tree. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed this English story and learned new words today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Story Listening House for more stories every day. See you next time.